Wow, I love the way spit come out of their mouth. Who is gonna say that? We are going through something. I think with episodes you could see we are going through something. We'll be back. We'll be back. I want to address that.
Hello everyone, welcome to Virtually Unfiltered. I am Kaveri.
I am Prajwal.
So today's another dumb episode.
So
Better than
you
the
have
mosquito
seen
one.
the pattern.
Yeah.
You have seen the pattern. Whenever it's a dumb episode, who will be driving the episode? Please look at these patterns. Yeah. Look at these patterns. Yes.
See, I keep it fun. He wants to take it serious, not my problem. Yeah.
Correct. Let's wait for the. See, I want to be as surprised as you guys are with the topic. Let's wait. Let's try and understand what exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So this is. I don't know how I'm going to make it an episode. We'll see. Okay. So basically, I'm talking about those people when you're on the streets, especially auto drivers, but if not, in general also, people spitting. Just spitting on the road or on the side of the road. What do you think about them and give me your opinions?
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
If you do it, I'm
It's
going to
bad.
judge you.
It's that. End of episode. It's that. Oh, who will say, wow, I love the way spit come out of their mouth. Who is gonna say that?
Stop it. Get some help.
No, coming from like normally before, not now. Before, Gulbhaga was known to be the like people with tambaku spitting in the theaters and all in the side of the theater. Like,
Oh,
yeah,
oh
yeah,
my
yeah.
god.
And I hate it. Yeah. I want to hear your opinion. Is there a counter opinion here?
No. I think we continue to agree throughout the episode. But it's like, first thing is, I want to know how could you even stop that in the first place? Like, could something be done to even stop it? People like
I
spitting
think-
on the
yeah.
roads and it just on the walls and stuff. How do you stop it?
I think if you have seen Munna, like Lagerova Munnabai, there they say go and wash it every day. They will have a heart transformation.
They will
Only-
clean wall. Let me go do it again. Every
Yeah.
day I create my art.
I think they are giving me a fresh canvas to spit. Let me use it antare. But I feel the only way where the Western countries control it basically is by putting fines. The only way you could do is you will be fined for doing it. But I think enforcing that itself is a challenge.
It's very now. Yeah.
I think it's when you do a what they call fine based thing, people will actually spit more based on vengeance. I think how can they stop me from spitting? Let
I
me
will
spit
do
more.
it.
Yeah,
Correct.
I'll eat something special and spit so that it will become
Yeah.
colorful and all. But I think the only way which you could probably do some controlling is by fine. I don't really see what else can we do.
Yeah. No, as an individual, of course. Government side, you leave. I'm saying from our end as an individual, you think someone will listen to you or they'll spit on your face.
So basically, so he will be spitting. I'll go, Anna, Anna, why are you spitting there? He will turn towards me and spit on my face. So, yeah, as an individual, you can stop people from spitting. Being the spitty, I don't know what you can call it, like rather than them spitting on the floor, you can probably take all the spit on the other. I don't really know. Like, as an individual, this is not an individual problem, I feel, for me. When you go and say something to someone, they will actually spit rather on your face than actually spitting somewhere else. Yeah, okay. Yes, Kaveri, you should be back here. Yeah. I don't know. I had to discover some word there because I was not sure. Spittity. Not me, spittity. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, God. Yeah. No, especially have you ever noticed people like, I feel like people who are educated at least should not do that. Other people, I'll be like, okay. But have you ever come across people who are educated also doing this?
So, Okay, again, we'll wait. How will I know as in, none of my friends do it. None of the people who are studying with me do it. How will I know the degree of a person? Like, while spitting, does it come out differently if they are educated? Like, can you please explain the thought behind this question? Like, how exactly am I?
People you know, okay? People
No,
you know.
none of no. I don't know people who spit. So if they're spitting, I will not know them. The whole idea is that I can't know them if they are spitting. Again, there are different types of spit. Some people just spit it for fun. Some people do it with gutka. So I think gutka at least seems necessary for them because they can't take it inside. Like gutka is a has
Actually,
to
yeah,
go
I
out.
don't know about that. What is it? What is the problem with consuming? It's bad. I don't know.
Yeah, same. Not an expert, but I think they can't take it inside.
No, I think they
It's
can.
basic-
Isn't it adake?
No.
It is.
No, I
It-
think.
it kahi-
Hey, why everybody is spitting if it is
It
it is
kahi.
edible?
Adike is kahi no. I mean, bitter. What bitter?
No. It can't be the bitter problem because they are okay to suck the juice out of the bitter thing, but they can't swallow it. I don't think so. It has to be something else. We'll get some gutka expert. If you want to have a discussion on this, please write in the comments.
Yes.
We would like to know.
No, I think we
what
have
exactly
offended
is
them
the-
enough. We have offended them enough with this episode
They are
already.
actually happy. Somebody really care about their spitability, and we have come up with a spitometer. So, like how many spits in an hour, kind of a thing. But yeah, what's your thought on this, Kaveri? What exactly do
think-
you think as an
No.
individual we should do?
I mean, there was a scenario where one of my friend was constantly spitting. For whatever reason, I don't really know what was the reason. I scolded him. And he's like, oh, you're worried about my dehydration is what this response. But I said, stop it. Are you mad or what? I told.
No, I think that's not how dehydration works. Sir. It's not. Oh, okay. Sorry. I think it needs one more episode in itself. Okay.
I know. He
While
was like-
your body is not getting water, just because you spit or do tea, it doesn't mean it will be like. I don't think so. You need an external water. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoever
that
covers
was that
you in
was his response. And I was literally like that. That would never be one of the things I expected as a response. And I was like, just stop spitting irrespective of the reason behind it. And he's like, no, there's something in my mouth. I want to get rid of it. I just go to the washroom. Don't spit on this road. Then he still did not stop. That is different. But I'm like, how could I handled it? How could I have handled it better than that?
No, in life sometimes we have to realize not everything you can handle. It's not your thing to handle. I don't think so. Like other than like jokes apart, I think how I can tell jokes apart in this episode, I'm not really
That
sure.
was the only
But yeah, so and all the people don't think this is the lowest point of us. We have
There
talking
will
about
be
some
lower.
serious stuff. No. We are going through something. I think with episodes you could see we are going through something. We'll be back. I want to address that. I don't want 166 subscribers to run away. We are going through something personally, both of us in our own life. So this is coming out like a gutka pitting episode. But what I was telling, yeah. No, I think this is only controlled. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay. So this is basically only controlled. Ideally with fines. I think this is not even a lack of education. I think people who are
They choose
educated,
to,
not educated,
yeah.
is a spectre. But I think the percentage of people who spit because of gutka could be higher. I am not sure. I do not have the stats here. People who just spit out of fun might not be higher in number. But I think I don't know. I have seen this. I do sometimes spit that's in washroom only when I feel little disgusted with the room. Somewhere you enter a public washroom or something, you feel a little disgusted, and I don't want to swallow the saliva in my mouth also. I get disgusted to a point where I feel like, I can't do this. But I don't spit on road and all.
Yeah.
But yeah.
No, but what do you think the mentality of these people are? Like, I was just like, because I'm pretty sure, like, okay, no, I'm genuinely asking because if these people spit in general, they wouldn't do that at their houses. They wouldn't do that at the walls, like on the walls in their houses. They only do it outside. So that means it's a choice they're making to actually spoil the
No, that
environment.
goes with everything, right? Throwing garbage outside.
Yeah, yeah.
The same mentality. So it's the same, and I think it's the lack of
Not caring for the
ownership
world.
in terms
Yeah.
of lack of it's if it is not mine, why should I bother? I think is the general mentality, and sadly sometimes I might also be in like spitting is not something that I associate with, but there could be something else where I might have done it. And I try to be aware of it and try to make sure that, oh, maybe I will not do it next time, or I'll try and find an alternatives most of the time. But I think it's the lack of civic sense, I feel. I think that's the apt word here. Like, that
Correct.
you do not
Yeah.
have civic sense in terms of just because it's not your house, you don't really care how exactly it is, and you don't really care if it is clean or not.
Correct.
I think that's where there was a Kannada film called Super. I'm not sure you would have 100% you would have not seen it. It's Upendra's film, where the whole concept is he becomes a chief minister and tells the part of the public to people. So yeah, the property, the road in front of your house belongs to you.
Oh,
So
that's
the
so
whole
cool.
that's where you actually have to take care of it. You have to make sure, like, when it
You're
actually
equally
becomes
responsible.
yours.
Yeah.
Yes, you
That's so
don't allow
good.
somebody to come and throw garbage. You don't allow somebody to come and spit or do anything there. So that, like, the whole state is divided and given it to people, so the people become responsible of taking care of it.
That's so
That's how he kind
cool.
of changed. Yeah, that film
So
was a super
government
hit.
is the problem for everything, anyways. It's okay.
No. I think civic sense is also needed. Like, we lack a lot of things, but I think I think this is something which I don't think so. Government also can do much.
Yeah. The
Like,
people
public
won't
smoking
listen.
is not okay. Public smoking is not acceptable. How has it stopped people from doing it?
No, that is a very weird thing. You can't sell and smoke in that. I'm sorry, you can sell, but people are not supposed to smoke. That makes no damn
In public.
sense. Yeah, that makes no damn sense. See, you're not supposed to smoke at home. Like, see, I'm not trying to support them. This might be again a side topic, but still, it's like you're at home. You don't want to smoke inside the house, so you go to the balcony. You smoke in the balcony. The neighbors have a problem. Go to the terrace, the people on the top floor have a problem. In public, it's not allowed. Where the hell are you supposed to actually
No, the
smoke?
whole idea is you should not smoke. But if you are
Ah,
smoking, you
okay.
should do it in your home or in your balcony. That's okay. But you cannot do it in public where it actually becomes problem too. You cannot make
Simple
public
thing would have
place
been
as
like-
a passive.
No, simple thing would have been stop selling them, right?
No. How will government survive? See, the whole point, again, this is a side topic.
They are not.
When COVID
yeah.
happened,
Continue.
when COVID happened and everything stopped, government was struggling with finances and all. And the moment they could actually lift little restrictions, guess what was the first thing they opened?
I think alcohol, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Again, they don't support it. They don't say that you should drink it. It's injurious to health. That's why that comes with a message. But that is the one which gives them a lot of money to do a lot of things. So it's up to you. Again, idea selling it is up to you not to actually buy it. But there is a whole dry state concept. Again, we can do a different episode on this. But the dry state concept comes where, like, you're not supposed to sell and drink it in public places. But if you can get it somewhere and you are drinking it home, nobody can stop you. Like, that's where the whole freedom of concept comes, right? Like, you're allowed to do it. And you will have needs or a means of buying it and doing it. But ideally, you should not do it.
Yeah, this is a
I
very
did not
strange
expect this
concept.
to
Right?
take such a serious turn by the
Yeah.
end of it. Please, people, please, who are still here.
Yeah, it has really taken an important turn now. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was I don't know what is this. I don't know.
I think this was more with respect to the civic sense of why
Yes.
people do certain
Yeah.
things which doesn't
Now
make
that
sense.
it
is
used to
what
frustrate
we were
me
getting at.
because when we are going in auto, it frustrates me so much. Like, I think if I go in auto 10 times a week, like I'm just giving like 10 times a week, 10 times in general. In that, at least 5 to 6 times, those people will be spitting. And that frustrates me so much. It makes me angry, but of course, I don't say anything in that case. But yeah, because I don't want to
No.
be the spitty tea.
No, for me, in general, the most frustrating part is when somebody is going in a car, bus, or something, they throw the cover out of the window.
I swear, oh my god.
Again, don't write in comment of Rajwar, once upon a time you were doing it. Yes, we are people who are evolving.
Yeah, we have done it.
So,
No.
yeah.
In my family, everyone has gotten scoldings because they choose to be like, hey, there is kasa here, you throw it here. I am like,
Correct.
that has become because people like us would have thrown continuously.
Yeah.
So I keep everything.
No,
there,
but
like
no
your-
place by birth it will tell, I'll become a Kasatoti. People will give it Kasatoti status with time. So,
Right. Yeah, that
So-
is the most frustrating. Yeah.
yes. Do tell us, what do you feel about this? Are you a spitty, or whatever you are? So, yeah, do tell us your thoughts, and yeah, I think that's
Tell
the
us any
whole-
other, I don't know, topics like this you want us to talk about which could be relatable to you and stuff like that. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, you really want us to talk about that, tell us, sir. But yeah, do not judge us. We are
I think
going
they've
through
judged
something.
us
Please,
enough for writing.
please. Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
So.